Okay, let's take another question on this chapter function or on this topic function because this topic is in class 11 and 12th also. Again, we have to look for the values of x which can be put over here. Now, this question can be taken in a very simple way. If you know the definition of mod x, we know that mod x is x if x is greater than or equal to 0 and minus x if x is less than 0. Mod means modulus, it will never become negative. Whenever the value which is written inside the mod, that is plus, it will come as it is. But whenever the value which is written inside the modulus, that is negative, means x less than 0, then we have to take minus x. Why we are taking minus x? Because x is negative, right? Suppose x is minus 2. How will you make it positive? We have to take minus x. So minus of minus 2 eventually becomes plus 2. Got it? So by using the definition of modulus x, we can show that the domain of this function actually will come out to be in that is empty set or that is null set. How? Now look over here. I'm going to make case number one. Case number one when x is greater than or equal to 0. Got it? Now in that case, f of x can be written as 1 upon under root of x minus x, because whenever x is positive or equal to 0, modulus x is written as simply x. And in that case, we know that x and x would be cancelled and it will give you 1 upon 0, which is not defined. It means we cannot put any positive value. We cannot put any value which is equal to 0, right? So this has given us not defined case. It means this has to be taken as what? That we cannot take any value which is positive. Similarly, if you go by case 2, which is x less than 0, x less than 0 means it is negative. In that case, function becomes 1 upon under root x, and I told you that whenever x is less than 0, we replace mod x by minus x, right? Minus of minus x. In that case, it will become 1 upon root x. And please remember, this x is negative. It is less than 0. And we know that whenever in under root negative sign comes, because if you take x minus 2 and if you put it over here, it will become what? 1 upon under root minus 4. And under root minus means this is not real, it is imaginary. And we know that we are studying real functions in class 12. We are not studying any imaginary function. Again, that thing is not possible. Okay, so we have seen both the cases. Both the cases are giving you impossible things because 1 upon 0 thing not possible, not defined. So we know that the values which give you something not defined, we always exclude those answers. Same thing here. It is giving you imaginary function. Again, that is not defined. So we are excluding this also. It means on a number line, we are excluding all positive, all negative, 0. So what we are getting? Nothing. So domain of this function is empty set. Empty set you can write as phi or you can write as a curly bracket. I hope you have understood this. Now keep watching more videos on this topic function. Thank you.